Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And not a whole lot of updates need to be made in terms of, new levels of support or new levels of resistance, but more so just kind of, mapping out the fact that within the grand scheme of things, and unless you live under a rock, I'm sure you're aware the market sold off quite a bit today. So sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but that's just one day. When you take a step back and look at the big picture of things, the bulls can still build that higher base. Now, I'm not going to beat the dead horse like I did in yesterday's video. So if you're curious on why this $10 level is so important, you can just go watch the video from May 16th. But just take, or if you want to just take my word for it, from the story perspective, $10 right around here, very important level, $8, $9, whatever you want to call it. But point being, this range right here, very important because that's what's going to allow the price to put in a higher base. Meaning, if the price continues to come down here and hold up above that level, which it did on a couple different situations today, then going forward, that would imply that, well, the price has settled out right here with the new low. When you compare that where the previous low was, well, that would be down there. And then if you look at these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress. And I'm assuming I speak for everybody that is bullish, at least. You want to see progress going forward. You don't want to see progress going backwards because, well, that's kind of a contradiction. That would not be any sort of progress at all if you're going backwards. But so far, so good. Price is maintaining above that $8-ish area, and that's still putting the bulls at the opportunity to build that higher base. In terms of levels of resistance, again, nothing new here to report. Still got level up around the $32-ish area, so that'll be the main point there. But as I said in yesterday's video, and we'll reiterate, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority in my opinion at least. Top priority right now is just building that higher base and going through a healthy consolidation, and so far so good. Granted, the price is somewhat close to it, so maybe this $10-ish area will get tested tomorrow. But like I said, so far so good. The bulls still have that opportunity to build the higher stair step, so we'll see if they can continue to work on that or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.